Hiya, Martin here. I hope you're all well. Thank you for joining me. The last 2 years, as you know, have been absolutely bonkers. The world's been turned upside down, and as usual, time hasn't been my friend. However, today, the 2nd of February, I am starting filming a brand new series looking at all of the tools and other equipment that I use in the workshop here. So we'll be looking at bowl gouges, spindle gouges, PPE, the lathe, the chucks that I use and the jaws and stuff. Why I use them, and particularly with the gouges, the specific grinds that I use too. The series I'm scheduling to start sometime around the beginning of March and perhaps run for 10 consecutive weeks. I'm looking forward to getting started filming and sharing with you the little hints and tips of the tools that I use here in the workshop to offer you guys a little bit more free content. That's it. Thanks very much. Bye for now, and I'll see you at the beginning of March. Cheerio.